Okay, the question mentioned AB parallel to CD and EF parallel to GH. So these two are two different pair of the parallel lines. So you look at the figure. Okay, AB and CD use one arrow to represent one pair. EF and GH use two arrows to represent another pair. They are different pairs. Okay, and then the transversal IEGJ, okay, is a straight line. You want to find out the x and y. So every time just focus on one pair of the parallel lines. So let's see, you can find x first or y first. Okay, maybe you focus on this one first. Okay, this one, AB and CD. So what can you see? AB and CD, what can you see? Okay, or you focus on EF and GH, this one. What can you observe? Think about it first. So maybe you can observe that. Look at AB and CD. Okay, the x degree, the x unknown, and the 60. Okay, you can draw the letter set. Okay, they are the alternate angle. Okay, so alternate angles under parallel lines, they will be equal. So the x equals to angle BOYEG equal to 60 degree. The reason is that it is the alternate angles, and then the parallel lines you're using is AB parallel to CD. So you find x first. Then how to find the y? The y is here. The y is here. Okay? So thinking about that, you're using, because you didn't use EF and GH, you try to use another pair of the parallel lines, EF and GH. So I maybe cover this one. Maybe you cover this one. Let's see. So the y, quite complicated. The y here. Okay, it is lot under the transversal here. Okay, it is lot the whole angle HGJ. So difficult to think about that, but here the transversal IJ, here you got 75 degree here. Okay, with the parallel lines, this one. So you look at here, parallel lines and the transversal. Okay, you got the letter F here. So this one actually equals to 75 degree. Okay, it is the corresponding angles. Okay, so if you found that this one is 75 degree, go to the original position. Okay, this one CGD, it is the parallel lines. So parallel lines, it must be straight line. So straight line on CGD, this straight line, on it there are three angles together. X, okay, the 75 degree you find, and Y. Okay, so this time you add it up, because X you find it already is 60 degree. Okay, you add it up. The sum is 180 because you're using the adjacent angle on straight line. Okay, so you try to write it down first. The blue pair, the angles, you write it down. The angle EGH equals to angle IEF equal to 75 degree. Okay, the letter F is corresponding angles. The parallel lines you are using is EF parallel to GH. Then the second one, you are using the straight line CGD, they are 3 angles together. It is X, and then 75 degree, and then Y. Okay, the sum on a straight line is 180. The reason is adjacent angles on straight line. So the X you find it already is 60 degree, put it back. Then you still have one unknown left. It is Y. So you can solve the Y. Minus 75 degree and then minus 60 degree. So the calculation final answer for Y is 45 degree. Then you can find X and Y. Okay, done.